back to my channel. I'm Karen Ahmed, and today I'm going to be counting down 5 amazing appetizer potluck ideas that you can take to a potluck if you're invited by your co-workers or your friends. You can take this with you and wow all your friends. Before I go any further with these recipes, do make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. I'm going to start with these green chutney chicken lollipops. Wings are formed into a lollipop shape and then they're marinated in a green paste before frying till crispy in a pakora batter. The wings do take some time to prep, but this has a wow factor like none other. Next, why just have meatballs and hummus when you can have them together? This makes a great colorful party platter and it's easy to prepare for larger crowds. Next on my list are these cute little Korean meatballs. I cook these meatballs in the air fryer and then I toss them in a sticky gochujang sauce. Next, I'm going to go with the old chicken fry. These double-fried classic recipe balls from Mumbai or Bombay are a popular bar snack. You can make these with chicken wings or boneless strips of chicken as well. And finally, shrimp pakoras can be pretty expensive to buy, but relatively inexpensive to make at home. Use this easy recipe to whip up a batch. I hope you enjoyed these stunning potluck recipes. These aren't all, I have so many more on my channel. Make sure to share my channel with your family and friends and also ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care.